think it might be. Smells brand. I think this might be. Let's see. 2008 615. Search 200 circle 2008 Gerber. Cool. It's 2008. UPC, CSA. This is your warranty registration. Interesting. D01406 2 circle. 2008. It also says 2008. UPC CSA Gerber 28-330. QA passed 22. Flushmate. Sloan Flushmate. Wait, was prime. 30075 Research Drive, New Hudson, Michigan. 48165 USA. Made with pride in the U.S.A. Pat 4233698. Other patents pending. 1.6 gallons per flush. 6 liters per flush. Model number M-101526-S3. Serial number 050108 F3G 1303. Series number 503. SBCCI, PSTNI, SA, UPC, BOCA, ASSE. Due to the corrosive nature of toilet bowl cleaners and deodorant blocks, use these chemicals within the China tank may damage the flushmate system. Void warranty. Please return warranty card. Warranty's still there. Question 1-800-532-4450. 1-3450. 1-248-446-5300. Flushmate.com. Flushmate.com. http://www.flushmate.com. Caution: pressure vessel. Turn water supply off and flush it prior to servicing. Use cold water only. Okay? See owner's manual. For adjustment. Important. See owner's manual for adjustment. Nope, it doesn't get scraped. Here we go.